Okay, so I play viola at school. So my next project is converting the viola to an electric viola. So these are piezo elements. They turn vibrations into electricity. Even if you put your finger on the bridge, you can even feel the vibration. So if you can feel it, the piezo can pick it up. The wires go back down to here. This is at line level. So I can hook it up to an amplifier or my music setup. I'm going to use these connectors so you can easily unplug and plug in your viola. First, the string wrap is kind of annoying, so I'm just going to get rid of that. Okay, so we got wedged in there. We just need the tape, which should be somewhere. Here we go. Tape. There. And this is my electric viola. The wires are easily coupled together with nice connectors that I haven't added yet. This plugs in to an interface or small audio amp. It's fed into the audio editing program, or DAW, which output gets sent to the speakers with my custom amplifier to these speakers. That's one of them. The other one's right there, right next to my gallery of 3D prints. And all of this for less than $1. Also, I should probably mention that I got this cool controller. Then I mapped it to some pins so I could use it for the computer. You can even use it for editing. The best part is, all of this is removable. This is just electrical tape. So once you remove this, there's no evidence that you put an electric pickup on here. So your teacher will not ask any questions if you remember to remove it.